I thought for the fun of it, I'll do a night vlog at Petersham Station Bridge. Starting off, we have a Waratah here on platform 2. We now have the Waratah, Homebush service Waratah now departing. Meanwhile, while I'm waiting for another train to arrive, I wonder what this thing is. It looks like it might have been a signal box originally, but it looks cool. I like the architecture of this. Yeah. Anyway, Waratah passing, about to pass. Central service A35. Yeah, A35. And I see another train passing, another Waratah for a Richmond service. Said he's A38. And another Waratah, Leppington service with a something or other. It's a bit dark, hard to tell what the target plate is. Oh, there we go, A74. And we have yet again another Waratah now approaching or passing. It's passing service, bound for City Circle. Says it on the screen. We have A54. And don't look now, but another Waratah just passed. A69 for a Blacktown service. Out of focus. Well, we've got a plane in the sky. We also have another train coming. Another Waratah set. Yet again. A33. Epping service. A33. I just said it. We have again another Waratah. And I think this one's actually stopping on its way to the City Circle. We have Waratah set A24. A24 now departing Petersham. City Circle service. The next train to hit platform number 1 is also number 2. Sorry, is also. I see another train arriving. I think it's a Millennium. We have a Millennium. We have M4 in the front half. No train coming the other direction yet. It's a Homebush service via Strathfield. M33 trailing that Homebush service. V-set passing. And another Waratah also. V38. Waratah A78. V38. Waratah. Waratah A7 as well. Wow, after it's been dead, trains just come out of nowhere. Just in a whole pack. Yeah, and that was A7. And it looks like we have an Oscar about to pass. Yep, I was correct. Central Service Oscar. H52. H52. Oscar. Central Service. Passing. Central Service Waratah now passing, sorry. Not departing. A25. V-set. And a Millennium passing. M21 is the Millennium. V2 is the V-set over here. Rear half of the Millennium is M11. Waratah, Penrith Service Waratah, A37. A37. We have what appears to be an S-set also. About to pass through here, so I'll keep the camera rolling. We have S151 leading. And S65 trailing, being the rear half. And on this track here we have a North Sydney Service Waratah A31. And another V-set about to pass through here. And another Waratah. V7, forecast set V-set. And Waratah A62, was it? We'll soon find out. Yeah, A62. Epping service. And appearing out of the darkness we have another Waratah. Central Service Waratah. A19 is the set. A19. And yet again we have another Waratah. I would have liked to get at least one Tangara in this vlog, but unfortunately it looks kind of unlikely at this stage. We have A55. We got A80 and another Waratah passing. Sorry I couldn't get A55 departing Richmond Service Waratah. I had to make an emergency stop just before, which kind of involved me doing something kind of illegal, I guess. But I had to do it or else I'd have an accident if I don't. Waratah passing, Blacktown Service. A48. And another jet in the sky. Oh, and we sneaking out, no, we have an S set, S137 and S124. Well, at least I got a few S sets. I didn't get a K set or a C set or a Tangara in this vlog, at least so far. Waratah A30. Once we have something that's not a Waratah, we have S75, an S set. Who can't forget these trains? I mean, I grew up catching these S sets. And a Qantas jumbo jet in the sky as this S set departs. S89 is the rear half. Yes, we have a Tangara now passing T104. T93. That's the first Tangara I got in this vlog. Yes. And to spoil your evening, to finish this vlog off, we have Waratah A17 passing service. A17 is the rear half. We have an Oscar H52 for a Wyong service. Yeah, Wyong service Oscar. We have a Campbelltown service Waratah. I think it's A9, but I'm not sure. Once this train passes, I'm going to wrap up the vlog. Yeah, I was correct, it's A9. Anyway, I'm going to wrap up the vlog. Give me a thumbs up if you like the vlog. Subscribe to my channel for future vlogs and whatever else. Heavy metal videos. Live performances. Click the bell for notifications because of this new Google YouTube feature. And yeah, anyway, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Waratah snuck out of nowhere. A70 or A79. I think it was A79. Geez, Central Service Explorer. Just snuck past.